I feel like you're in a hurry, cutie. So, why are you sitting here and making snowballs all by yourself? Is this what you meant by something exciting? Oh, I see. No wonder you're kind of sulking. Yeah, this is awesome. Oh no, I've been hit. I need a certain Miss Hunter to help me. Please, it's an emergency. Seriously? A sneak attack? Now I've not only been shot, but also frostbitten. I'm so cold, so tired. Miss Hunter, you need to take care of me. It's different when a lot of time is spent making snowballs. I know that when you play with snowballs, your fingers turn red from the cold. Do you feel anything? Then let's go. We'll find this truly exciting thing you lost. Isn't the New Year Lantern Fest going to be held here? Why does it look abandoned?
It's because someone has been going around messing things up. We even invited the great master Rafayel so we could break the world record for the highest number of attendees at the Lincoln New Year Lantern Fest. Now we might not be able to host the event, let alone break the record.
What you looking at? Ah, cutie. Even though I'm happy you thought of me, I'm not exactly a master in lantern making yet. Not necessarily. While I'm not a master, I'm a quick learner and have a decent foundation. Hey, we're in the middle of an investigation. Why are you getting distracted, cutie? True, I was captivated by the lanterns, but I think you were fascinated with me, yeah? Yeah, I see it. But as you can see, even it disagrees with what you said. You've only known this flower for like 2 seconds. Why are you so emotionally invested in it? I have an eager student? How was I unaware of this? You're already rushing me? I guess you learned a lot from today's lantern making class. In that case, I insist you voice your opinion. Pick the sketch you like the most. Ahem. This is essential to finding inspiration, cutie. It's often called daydreaming. That's a privilege, you know. It's like stars surrounding the moon. Don't you like it? Looks like someone was so engrossed in learning that she didn't notice the paper scraps on her face. I'll listen to your advice, Miss Bodyguard. Those 3 lucky flowers will be refined later. But before we do anything else, we gotta eat. Okay, but why would the foodie in front of me also stare at the lanterns with hungry eyes? Your wish is my command. Come here. It's cold, so I gotta make sure your hair is dry after your shower. Don't worry, this is a super lenient version of our you draw and I guess game. I hope your ideas can provide the precious inspiration needed for our lanterns. So, you can let your imagination run wild. The more abstract it is, the better. Are you upset? Don't underestimate abstraction. It's an important artistic skill, you know. Don't you want to get some practice in? You're a talented artist in the making. Draw whatever your heart desires. There's no time limit. There is a catch, though. The rule says I'm the person who's gonna guess what you drew. Yeah, about that, cutie. I think you're overestimating yourself. You're not ready to doubt your teacher. How about this? If I get rewarded for answering correctly, then I'll know the answer. I can't guess it, but I can see there are two hearts. Here's one heart, and the other yearns for a way to get closer to it. That was the reward I wanted. That was the reward I wanted. I can't believe we won this most popular lantern award, only to get one photo with that renowned lantern maker, Master Raphael. Yeah, and since we already have that many photos, should we put all of them on display? I really like where this plan is going, but there's something else we need to do. I know we already made our wishes when we hung the lantern, but I still have one more wish, and only you can make it come true. I need more than that. There's no need. I won't be cold if I do this. You're a better snowflake magnet than me. Now you should know what my wish is. Why are you just standing there? Am I the only one who's excited about this? All of our photos vividly captured fond memories. It's hard to choose just one. I need your opinion on this. This one's no good. We're standing too far apart. It's because someone missed my signals that were being sent behind Master Raphael's back. She also didn't hold my hand. Fine. If you really want that one, it can be next to your abstract masterpiece. I'm not sure. I need to keep observing. It's probably going to be a long-term thing. But it's time to take a break. Your teacher is inviting you to nap with him. Isn't it obvious? You promised to make my wish come true with such resolve, which means you're not backing out now, right?